What's going on, good people? Mr. Go Get It here. Thank y'all for coming through. I appreciate that. Hey, we got an unboxing for y'all here today, man. Oh, look, check this out, y'all. Look what I found. Oh, shoot. Look what I found, y'all. Look what I found. Look what I found. Look at that. Oh, shit. Who got these? Anybody got these? That's tough. But, we got an unboxing here today for y'all. But before we get in that unboxing, I want to let y'all know that we got some dope content coming. Tomorrow I'm going to be shooting another vlog of me picking up these Indigo 12s that come out tomorrow. Right now I think I got like 5, maybe 6 pairs. I have a size 8, but the size 8 actually sold already. I got a size 6.5Y. I got a size 10.5, a size 11, and I got 2 12s. Damn, that's like 7. I don't know how many pairs that is. That's a lot, and there's more sizes to come. I was trying to wait until I knew the outcome of everything before I made this video, but hey, that's what I got in hand tomorrow morning. So stay tuned. But we're gonna get into this unboxing. We have the Air Jordan 1 ZEN greens. This is a package from Nike, wrong way, from Nike, with all of my information on the box still. So another Nike box, another hit on Sneakers app for me. So we're gonna get right into this opening, man. I ain't gonna hold y'all up, but if y'all would, please drop a like on this vid. Please subscribe to the channel and follow me on all social media platforms. You know what I'm saying? All that information will be in the description. I'm capping. I don't never put it in there, even though I should. But these is what I'm going after tomorrow. If you didn't know, these is what I'm going after tomorrow. The new ones these the OGs though. You can tell by the yellow one. These shit's super yellow. They super yellow. But yeah, these are the ones that come out tomorrow. So when I say the Air Jordan 12 Indigo, this is the exact pair I'm talking about. I mean, damn near identical. The only difference I've seen from the pictures is the laces are blue instead of white. These shits is hard. And I don't even have a pair in my size yet. So hopefully I can get a pair. No, I think I'm out of luck on that. I don't think I'm gonna have a 13. So if anybody got a 13, I'll trade you for your size in whatever I have left. All right, let's get into it, man. Let's finish opening this box. The ZEN greens. How y'all feel about the ZEN greens? How y'all feel about them? I mean, they're Jordan 1. You know, I've seen pictures and I really like the bottom. This box is long. Well, it looks long. It should be 11.5 in here. This box looks kind of long though. It's a little beat up too. It's a little beat up. So we got this. We got the standard black and red. We got the standard black and red Jordan 1 box. That standard black and red Jordan 1 box. Let's see what the tag reads. Air Jordan High Zoom Air. Colorway is black and tamale or something like that. Size 11.5. Oh yeah, that's fire. That's fire. So we got the Jordan 1s right here, and let's see what it's cracking like. Let's see what. I like them. I like them. I'm not gonna lie. Just from glancing at them, that color is hard. It's like a carpet almost. It's almost like it's like a cheap carpet color. That green is loud on the inside. That green is. Put that bottom in my face. Put that bottom in my face. Look at that. Look at that bottom. You got an icy bottom with a green and what looks to be like a pink. Yeah, we're getting straight to the bottom. Look at that. That bottom is hard. Could you imagine our own feet? Which I will not be doing with these because, as I said before, these are not my size. That's tough right there. I don't know what that's about. That's tough. Let's see if I can. Let's see if I can get that out of there. I guess they didn't put the. I don't know why that's. I don't know why that's like that. That's crazy. Wow, bottom is sticky. But that's crazy though. But yeah. Oh yeah, just so you know. Show you the complete shoe. Get a nice little look around. So you got this leather on the heel. 3M on the check. Black leather around the toe box. Green on the toe. Like a nylon, I guess, on the tongue. Got that lime green sock liner. That 3M is hard. This shoe is hard. I don't know. People are sleeping on this. I really think people are sleeping on this shoe. I think I'm gonna hold on to this shoe. It's a really good size, 11.5. It's a really good size. It's a Jordan 1. And the prices just go up. I mean, it's a unique bottom. It's a very unique bottom. It's a unique color. It has 3M on the check. It's a lot of positives. You got the Jordan. You got the wings stamped into the. You see it into the collar, which is black leather collar, black leather ankle. Very, very nice shoe. Very nice shoe. Laces in box, not on shoe. Laces in box, not on shoe. It's more matching the green on the sock liner versus the green on the outsole or the midsole, excuse me. And so it's not the same green as this, the laces. That's two different greens. I'm not sure if the camera's picking that up. I mean, it's close, but no, it's more. It is this color. It's actually that neon slime. I don't know, neon green. I guess you would call it. I don't think it's slime. And look at this toe box. See, this toe box. It has a little hump in it too. I don't know, but not as big as this one was. Like that one was. That one looked kind of crazy. I wonder if anybody else is in that hump like that. I don't know what. I know y'all like. Yeah, show the shoe. All right. Well, that's the Jordan 1 ZEN green. Hard shoe, size 11.5. I mean, money talks, so it might be for sale. I might hold it. It just depends on what niggas is talking about. And it just depends on what y'all talking about. Like, if y'all really want the shoe, if y'all want the shoe, just leave a comment. Leave it in the comments. Let me know how much you're willing to pay for the shoe. Right now on GOAT and StockX, I think they at like $240. I could be mistaken. They had like $240 after the fees and a month of waiting. That's like $270, $280 in a month wait. So I think if you can get them in a... Man, let me not tell y'all how to spend y'all money. Hey, but as always, if you want it... Hey, no, hold up. Subscribe to the channel, man. This vlog is gonna be lit. We got, like I said, I got 7 pairs of the Indigo 12. I got 7 pairs of the Indigo 12 to pick up tomorrow. So it's lit, y'all. It's lit. I'm about to flood the market. As always, if you want it, go get it. No change, Mr. Go get it in a building.